this is the first time a Nigerian court has made such pronouncement. The court therefore ordered that Nigerian government should issue an official letter of apology to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu for such violation and pay him a compensation of 1 billion naira. Now, you may be wondering what is the impact of this judgment. The impact is very significant, and let me explain. Now, when Mazi Nnamdi Kanu left Nigeria, he did not leave voluntarily. But what you hear out there that Mazi Nnamdi Kanu jumped bail. So now the court has said by implication that he didn't. Somebody's fundamental right was being violated in terms of threat to his life, and he fled to safety. Such a person cannot be held to jump bail. So this judgment is of that impact for now. We are going to study the judgment and come out with further positive impacts that are inherent in the judgment. One of them will be, of course, that the bench warrant that issued in Abuja against him, stemming from that python down, from that attack at his home in 2017, may now have to be vacated nunc pro tunc, relating back. So we have to have this issue in mind. This very fact has to be made clear. So because his travails today, that is in detention today, is because there was this opinion, this determination, this conclusion that he jumped bail. But the ruling by this Abia State High Court today has put a question mark on that. So the issue is now an open issue that will have to be brought up at the appropriate fora.
We have listened attentively to the judgment delivered by this honorable court, but yet to receive the copy of the judgment. As soon as I get the copy of the judgment, I will be able to address the press on the next line of action we shall take. But in the circumstances, since he said we should wait, we are waiting. Then I can be able to brief you on the next line of action to take. As soon as we are available with the copy, that's why we are waiting. We take the necessary steps. And I have to get in consult, you understand? I have to contact my clients, you understand, to advise them as appropriate. Get this. So, as a matter of fact, we are still on a state of subjection, you understand, whether to appeal or not to appeal. But however, we are waiting for the copy of the judgment, which we shall transmit to the Army headquarters.